Well, welcome back, beautiful and amazing hikers. It's Mage over here, and that view that you're looking at right now is from the top of Tray Mountain, Georgia. 4,398 feet. And the terrain I'm standing on looks like a bunch of dominoes fell over. Poles. So today's a weird day for me. I knew it was going to be cold again tonight and wanted to stay at the hostel to avoid the cold night, but wanted to put in some miles. So Donna came up with a great idea and said, why don't you go start at Addis Gap and walk SOBO, and it'll be easy for us to pick you up. And I'm like, hey, and I can call my shuttle man Jason. So that's what happened. So since I'm staying again at the Green Dragon tonight, left most of my gear, just took a day pack. So I guess you could say I am slack packing. And actually, this is the first official time that I've ever done any kind of slack packing on the AT. I always carried my pack with me. But I figured, you know, hey, this might be interesting. Let's walk southbound. So yesterday's destination was Unicoi Gap, and today's destination is Unicoi Gap. Just experience the trail from a different angle. Because, you know, I've already been all over, you know, the first 730 miles. So it's kind of cool to change it up a little bit. And I am rather quite surprised at how quickly I was able to get up these mountains without all that weight on my back. Plus, another great idea for doing this slack pack idea was because of the rolled ankle, I get to stay off of it. How you doing, man?
Well, yourself?
Yeah, great. So standing in front of me in Unicoi Gap is Rocky Mountain. If I remember last time, that was a bitch of a mountain, and I would say probably one of the most difficult Georgian mountains on the trail, just because of the steepness and the way the rocks were on it. Last time I was there, I think they took out a lot of the switchbacks, and then the trail just marched like straight up the hill. This time I get to go the opposite direction on it, and people are telling me it's a little bit easier, you know. Well, still honestly and faithfully walking the trail, just today we're doing it backwards. Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, so people make fun of my day pack, and I'm like, yeah, go ahead, laugh all you want. Today I got lucky and I didn't have to wear it. Hey, whatever gets it done, man. Miles are miles. Oh, this will be a nice little trot down off of this mountain. So I think that'll do it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.